The GoPro Hero 7 Black, a great action camera, delivers amazing results. However, I found out also that it can be used as a great B-roll camera, especially using the slow motion option, 120 and 240 frames per second. I took some slow motion videos, which I would like to share with you. Stay tuned. So that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you receive a video whenever I release a new one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.